Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm Britt, this is my hideaway, and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a YouTube banner from your iPhone. I have an iPhone, but you also can create it on an Android as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that using Canva. It is They have some features that you can use for free. When you first sign up for Canva, they do give you, I believe it is a 30-day free trial. So if you haven't used Canva, you can try the pro version for 30 days, I believe. I'm not sure. But yeah, in this video, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using Canva to create this. So yeah, stick around. If you haven't subscribed, hopefully you do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you until the next video, all right? Bye. Hey you guys, so here you just see me going to Safari, and Safari we're going to basically get our background. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is you are going to want to get a YouTube banner template. This way you will know the desktop version and all the different versions. So we're going to go ahead and click that, download it, and save it. Then we're going to type in butterfly background or whatever background that you're looking for, and we're going to save that as well. All right, now we're going to open Canva. You're going to want to type in YouTube banner and blank canvas, okay? So after you have that open up in Canva, you're going to go ahead and you are going to go to uploads at the bottom, and you're going to upload both of the pictures that you just saved, the YouTube banner template and the butterfly background. Okay, you're going to go ahead and upload those. Alrighty, and the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put your butterfly background or whatever background that you want, and you're going to make sure to fill out all that white space. There you go. And then you're going to go back down, and then you're going to click on upload, and you are going to use your YouTube banner template, and you're going to open that wide as well. Now here we're just going to use the desktop version, so right there in the middle, that's what we're going to want to use. So you're going to go ahead and do your transparency that you can kind of see where your channel name and your profile picture will be. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click shapes, and you're going to choose one of the squares. You can do the rounded off or the just regular square. It's up to you. Going to click that. All right, don't worry about the color. You can always change the color. So right here, I'm just making sure that it's the same height. Checking the transparency so that I can make the lavender square longer. And that's what you see me right now. I'm going to go ahead and make it longer on both sides, just right there where the desktop is. Because this is what people will see when they're looking from a desktop or a cell phone. They'll see that part that's in the middle. Okay. And excuse me, I tried to come in the room and do me a voiceover, but my child is in here. He won't give me a break. I'm sorry. I do apologize. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to erase that YouTube template. That way we can know. Because we don't need it anymore. We pretty much just did that so we can know what we need to do. All right. So just making sure everything is nice and neat. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in fade. And we're going to try to look for all of them that are not pro. So we're going to go ahead and do the first one that's not pro. There we go. And we're going to kind of slant it just a little bit. Like so. And widen it out. Okay. Just widen it out just a little bit. All right, now we're going to change the transparency, and we're just going to play with it until it's to our liking, or you can play with it until it's to your liking. Alrighty. Okay, I like that. Alrighty. So now we're going to look for... Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure everything is nice and neat. And I think I'm going to change the color too. Yes, I'm going to change the color. So I wasn't really feeling that gray. Or the lavender. Okay. Now we're going to look for something to where we can put in the middle our picture. So you're going to type in mock-ups. Oh, honey, she can't spell today. Get it together. We're going to look for mock-ups. Alrighty. And you'll choose whichever mock-up. Thinking maybe a laptop or... I don't know yet. But let's see. Sorry, you guys. I'm just trying to find something that I like. Okay. Let's just try the laptop. Let's see if I like it or not. You can always go back and erase it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and try to center that. And now we're going to go ahead and upload a photo. So you're going to upload photos. You can also already have these saved so that you don't have to go through and upload them each time. You can just save all the pictures and videos that you want. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use this photo. And if you just hover it over the laptop, like so, right there, let it go. There you have it. It's inside. All right. There we go. I'm just going to move it around. I don't know how I feel about this laptop. I might replace that mock-up with something else, but I'm not sure. So right now we're going to go to text. And you're going to type in your YouTube name. This YouTuber is not a real YouTuber. This model is my daughter. I'm just using her for right now. We're going to name her YouTube channel Butterfly Queen. Sorry if somebody has Butterfly Queen. I'm sorry. I'm just using this for a video. So yes. I'm going to go and then now we're going to change the font. You can use any type of font that you want. Whatever font looks best for what you're going for. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just scrolling through the fonts. Let's see. Just scrolling, trying to see which one I like. And again, I am not a professional. I'm just, hopping on here to show you guys what I've learned myself. So pretty much what I did was I just duplicated, and then I'm just going to change the words. That way it'll have the same style. And I think I'm going to change the color. So we're going to go ahead and change the color. Now, let's see. Let's try something different. Maybe white. Let's see. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and copy that color so that we can change the butterfly as well. So you just click on that, go to font color, copy and paste. Same color, voila. Alrighty then. So you're just going to move your fonts around to where you like them. I guess that's good. Okay. Try to make that smaller. I might remove that altogether. Like I said, I don't really like that laptop. I don't know. Yeah, it's gotta go. So we're gonna look for another one. Maybe just a shape. Let's see here. No more laptops. Not today, honey. No, ma'am. Let's see. No. Maybe that circle. Okay, we're going to go ahead and place that. And we're going to add our image. Since it's already been uploaded, it's there. So hover over the circle and bam, there it is. Alrighty, so now we got to move our letters around the size. Okay, move that around. Just trying to make sure that it fits in the rectangle, because that's what if you're viewing YouTube from a desktop or a cell phone, this is what you'll be looking at. That's what you'll see, the purple. Everything that's in the purple, I'm sorry. So we're just fixing the sizes, moving everything, trying to center everything, making sure it looks nice and neat. Okay, all right. So now that is done, we're going to go ahead and look for a subscribe button. I cannot spell, honey. Maybe I need to put my glasses on. That's probably another problem. Anyway, so we're going to look for a subscribe button. That's free. So we're going to scroll. Oh, there's one right there. Okay. Anyone, you can pick anyone. We're going to go ahead and use that. Shrink it and put it underneath the butterfly. All right. And now we're going to look for an Instagram and a TikTok. Or you can look for any of your social media icons. Just type it in and look for the icon that you want. Now, if you have the pro version, you can use all of them. If you don't have the pro version, you will have to use the ones that are free and do not have pro next to them. So I'm trying my best to use the features that are not pro. Because not everybody wants to pay for it. And I get it. We're trying to save our coins out here in these streets. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for a TikTok. I'm telling you, I need to put these glasses on, because y'all listen. Let me put these glasses on. All right, let's see. Not finding the one that I like. Let's see. I don't know. All right. Sorry, you guys. I'm just trying to find the right one. And right now, it's not being very nice. Okay. Free? Maybe if I type in free? We love free things. Okay, let's see. Okay. I'm just going to use one of the T's for purposes of this video. Isn't T like Tumblr? Or is that TikTok as well? I don't know. Comment down below. And yes, if you haven't subscribed and you're still here with me, please subscribe. I have some more YouTube videos and they will get better. So yeah, we're just gonna make sure to size them to your liking and move them where you want them. Okay. And just trying to get them both the same size, the size that I want. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Then you're gonna go to text. Sorry about that. You're gonna go to text. And then you're going to type in your social media names. Now, if you have the same name for all your social medias, you can just duplicate that font, and you can just move it down, as you'll see I'm gonna do. But if you have different names for your different social media accounts, you'll have to type in the name of each one. But if they're the same, you can just go ahead and press that plus and duplicate them both, like here. Gonna plus duplicate it and drag the duplicated one down. And there you have it. So if everything is how you like it, you can go ahead and you can save it, and voila. So thank you guys for sticking around, and yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one. Okay, bye.